Imagine waking up every day realizing you have no steady source of income. You've tried everything, trading, dropshipping, e-commerce, but nothing seems to work. The frustration builds as each attempt ends without success. Then, you discover something truly game-changing: YouTube automation. This magic method transforms everything you thought you knew about making money online. All you need for this method is a laptop or just a phone with an internet connection to start creating content. It sounds simple, but it's not as easy as it seems. You decide to create your first YouTube channel, but you hit a major obstacle. You're not comfortable showing your face or even using your voice. That's when you opt for Faceless YouTube automation. Now comes the next challenge: choosing your niche. When you open YouTube, you're bombarded with thousands of niche ideas, but you have no clue where to start. So, you take a moment to sit with yourself, reflect, and strategize your next move. You ask yourself, what do I truly love doing in life? After thinking deeply, you realize your passion lies in teaching, helping others learn, and sharing the knowledge you have. With this newfound clarity, you decide to create a channel dedicated to courses and tutorials. Excited, you move forward. You choose a name for your channel, design a logo, create a banner, and set everything up, all using just your phone. With the basics in place, it's time for the next step: creating your first video. To prepare, you dive into YouTube and watch creators in the same niche. You study how they structure their scripts, taking notes and learning from their approach to ensure your first video stands out. The first step is choosing the topic you want to talk about. For me, I decided to explain the TikTok creativity program and show how you can make money by uploading videos generated entirely with AI. I started by writing the script, using ChatGPT exclusively without even overthinking it. Once the script was ready, I turned on my old 2013 laptop and downloaded a screen recorder app. I recorded the entire script, explaining everything step by step. After recording, I copied the script and used ChatGPT again, then headed to 11 Labs AI to convert it into a professional voiceover. Next, I searched YouTube for copyright-free background music to use in the video. I opened CapCut, added all the video clips in sequence without much editing, and synced the voiceover. I generated captions automatically, added the background music, and exported the final video. Feeling accomplished, I uploaded the video to YouTube. After 24 hours, the video had 0 views. A week later, a random viewer left a comment: "The video is too long and boring. You won't get any views this way." Frustrated but determined, I deleted the video and took a step back. I decided to rethink my approach. First, I analyzed what viewers actually want to learn. I brainstormed ideas, opened my notepad, and started typing out popular niches to focus on creating tutorials that people genuinely care about. This time, I was ready to approach content creation with a plan and purpose. If you want to create videos like mine, or similar to other YouTubers such as How to AI, The AI Guy, or Digital 10x Income, you don't need a fancy laptop or high-end editing skills. What you truly need is a solid plan, an understanding of what your audience wants to watch and learn. Take, for example, the channel Mr. AI. He started his channel on November 24th, 2023, and spent months experimenting. By early this year, his channel had grown from just 3,000 subscribers to an impressive 62.7 thousand. How? He capitalized on the copy-paste niche and focused on creating tutorials around it. What's remarkable is that his success isn't due to perfect editing or high-quality animations. Instead, he understands his audience, creating simple, valuable content that resonates with them. Many of his videos now have more than 40,000 views, and some even reached millions. His audience appreciates and learns from his content, which keeps them coming back. The key takeaway? It's not about having the best equipment or skills. It's about connecting with your audience and delivering content they genuinely find useful and engaging. If you want to create videos like hers, it's simple. Focus on the script and create content based on what your audience wants. Understanding their needs and delivering valuable, engaging information is far more important than perfect editing or high-end equipment. So, if you're creating long-form content, whether it's streaming on Twitch or uploading full-length videos to your channel, and you don't have the time to make short videos, I've got the perfect solution for you with this incredible AI tool. It's called Nexus Clips. This AI-powered tool helps you automatically convert long-form content into high-quality short videos with ease. If you scroll a little, you'll see some examples of videos that explain how this tool works with most types of content. For instance, it supports talking videos, gaming, podcasts, events, tutorials, and more, like my channel. This AI tool identifies the best moments from your video, allowing you to easily generate short clips. It includes features like automatic subtitle generation and customization options for stickers you may want to add to your videos. Additionally, it helps you craft hooks to attract new audiences to watch the full video. For example, if you're a streamer and spend all night live streaming, you might not have time to create short videos to publish on other platforms. The solution is Nexus Clip. After signing up with your Gmail account, this interface appears here and you'll find two options on the home page: video to clips or edit a clip by uploading it. For example, you can simply choose your video file or paste the URL of your Twitch clip to start editing. As a content creator, I prefer the first option, video to clips. If you're new to this AI tool, you'll first need to connect your YouTube channel or Twitch account to the platform. This step allows the tool to extract videos directly from your account. Once connected, you'll see all the videos uploaded to your channel, both private and public. After completing this setup, you can select the video you want to extract the best clips from. Simply click on it to proceed to the editing step and start converting those moments into short videos. Next, this screen appears, allowing you to write what you want from your video based on your niche. For example, I might write, "I need a clip that talks about how YouTube paid me," as an example. Then click on Generate Moments. We'll wait a little while the AI generates the best moments from the video, presenting them with ratings so you can choose the most suitable one. Before moving on to the editing step, if you have any problems with this site or need more information, you can join their community on Discord. They have over 2,400 members ready to help. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a notification like this. Then, return to your video and click on it. Boom! You'll see the moments generated, each with a rating and a simple title explaining what the clip is about. The number of moments generated depends on the duration of the video. If the video is longer, there will be more moments. If you don't like the suggested moments, you can generate new ones or use the Create Clip button at the top to manually create your clip by cutting a specific moment from your original video. After this step, we proceed with Edit Clip, and this interface appears. As you can see, it focuses on framing. Using these options, you can select the style per scene. For example, 16:9 videos, triple irregular formats, or other styles. For podcasts, there are various layouts available. In this case, we'll go with the upper face cam style. We choose the part of the video we want to edit. For example, cutting the segment that contains a face cam, and position it in the upper part of the frame. Next, we select the second section to clarify what I'm doing and explaining. As you see, I'm trying to place it beneath the facecam video for better organization and presentation. After modifying the scene, we move to the subtitles option. Here, I select English because my video is in English, but you can choose any language that matches your video's language. Then, click Generate Subtitles and wait for them to appear. Once the subtitles are generated, you can change their style and text font. For my video, I'll customize them by changing the background color to yellow. After that, I adjust the placement and size of the captions, ensuring they're easy for viewers to read. Next, we proceed to the stickers feature. Here you can add various stickers such as a logo or the name of your channel. For example, I'll use a sticker with my channel name to personalize the video further. Next, we go to the hook option. Here, you can add a hook to grab the viewer's attention at the beginning of the video. For example, I'll write, "How much YouTube paid me," and position it in a spot where all viewers can easily see it. After that, I adjust the timing for the hook and the sticker to appear within the first 3 seconds of the video. Once everything is finalized, simply click Share. This button allows you to download your video or publish it directly on your TikTok page or YouTube channel. So guys, I invite you to try Nexus Clips. You'll find the link in the description. We meet in another video. Bye bye, love you all.